Okay, good morning. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope everybody's staying busy. Today I'm going to talk to you about something that is kind of simple, but kind of important. Getting hard to find. Hand sanitizer. Gone all over the place. Been to all the stores. You can't find it. It's all gone. So I'm going to show you a simple way of making hand sanitizer. First thing that you're going to need is some measuring cups. And you're also going to need some alcohol, which is getting very hard to find, by the way. If you do not have this in your house already, you're probably shit out of luck. Second thing you're going to need is aloe vera gel, which is also getting very hard to find. This is the only bottle that I could find yesterday when I went shopping, and I found it in the sunburn area, so look there if you can't find it anywhere else. I have to read a little disclaimer here before I get started. Only use handmade hand sanitizer in extreme situations when hand washing isn't available for the foreseeable future. Don't use homemade hand sanitizer on children's skin, as they may be more prone to use them improperly, leading to a great risk of injury. Okay, now that's out of it. Alright, only use alcohol that is 60% at the lowest, 75% is better, 90% is good, and 99% is great. I haven't actually been able to find 99%. What I have today is 91%, so that's probably about the best you're going to be able to find. What I'm finding on shelves right now is 50%, and I guess if you have absolutely nothing else, that will just have to do, because you just can't find anything else. Okay, so what you're going to need is 3/4 cup of your isopropyl alcohol. Science time. 1, 2, 3/4 cups of alcohol. Next thing you're going to need is 1/4 cup of your aloe vera. Whoop! Maybe easier to squirt it out. I'll do it that way after I open it. I was ready for this video, for sure. Alright, child safety. How the hell? There we go. 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 Alright, so pouring it out of the bottle might have been easier, but we're in this now. I suppose this would be a good thing to do if you have bored children. Be like, hey, who wants to make hand sanitizer? Fun! Especially if you get something like this. It's really pretty and green. Ooh. Looks like flubber. Alright, the purpose for using the aloe vera is obviously it makes it gelatinous. And also it helps protect your skin from the harsh alcohol, which really isn't very good for your skin. It dries it out and ugh, who knows what else, but there we go. Alright, we have got our 1/4 cup of this. Alright, and then you mix it up. And also you can add an essential oil to it, or lemon juice or something. Make it smell nice. Alright, now, this is mixing up, but it's not mixing great, so what I am going to do, I'm going to take my old hand sanitizer bottle. Whoop. I'm going to pour it in there. And while you're doing this, if you have something that has a pour spout, that would be really, really helpful to get your stuff into the bottle. Bloop, 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 bloop. because otherwise you could have a bit of a time without some sort of a little pory spout to try and get it in there. And honestly, it probably would have been a better idea just to directly into my thing, I guess. Of course, then you couldn't measure it. All right. Let me gather up all the little globby pieces that I did not get in there. This is all very scientific, of course. Everything. All right. So, I'm going to put in my old sanitizer bottle. Shake it up. Aha. That works better. So if you have an old sanitizer bottle, I would recommend using that. All right. Boom. Sanitizer. Now let's test it. Ah! It actually is pretty. It's just like hand sanitizer. It's gooey and everything. That's awesome. All right. So there you go. Hand sanitizer. And I will put the recipe on the down in the on the description. So there we have it. Hand sanitizer. I hope that was helpful. Or at least entertaining. Thank you for watching. I will post something else tomorrow, hopefully interesting. And yeah, you guys survive out there, keep busy, and don't get sick.